The Mumbai Municipal Corporation has a canvas which is 4 times the municipal corporations in other parts of the country.
Perhaps it's the largest corporation in terms of the sheer population that we cater to, and unlike other corporations, we take care of everything except in policing.
So our interface with citizens is almost 3 to 4 times more than it is in other cities.
More importantly, I think it's the budget. I think our budget, as it's known, is equals some states like Goa and Kerala.
Till last 3-4 years, we were running the systems on a very manual basis. Now this data center, which is 24/7 into 365 days, has become operational more than 1 year back.
We give about 80 services through the CFC, and which are also available on the internet, and they're all web enabled.
So this citizens portal is a single window for all WAT services. Here birth and death certificates, now we'll take over the marriage registration also very soon. Then all licenses.
दुकान है मेरा, तो उसका लाइसेंस वगैरह निकलने का था, तो यहाँ पर आया था फॉर्म भरने के लिए. फॉर्म भी भरा और ये फॉर्म का जो भी रसीद वगैरह है वो फटाफट मिल गया मेरे को.
बच्चे के लिए आया, बच्चा का दाखिला के लिए पहला नहीं मिलता था, अभी जल्दी.
1-1 घंटा लाइन लगाना पड़ता था बाहर अंदर. अभी क्या है, कंप्यूटर आ गया तो आराम से जल्दी से हो जाता है, समय अपना बच जाता है.
This initiative which we have taken is a combination of software developed in Java technology, implementation of SAP, and all this is implemented on a large wide area network which has almost 200 sites connected.
Municipal Commissioner Mr. Johnny Joseph had a vision of what he would like IT to do in an urban local body. He then invited TCS as its IT partner to help to develop the roadmap as well as monitor the quality of the output of the various software vendors.
I remember still 2-3 hours brainstorming at the level of commissioner, all additionals were there, where I said that unless you give us full mandate to go ahead and give me full budget to go ahead, it's worthwhile not doing it.
A lot of groundwork was done before we started the system. There's no doubt that this project, before we even launched it, there were many core committees which are set up within the corporation.
TCS did a requirements analysis, did a detailed roadmap, came out with various tenders, which it helped BMC to float and evaluate.
There were reforms and computerization. Because when you computerize, you have to re-engineer your all processes. Without re-engineering, it has no value. So we re-engineered all important processes of BMC, of how to transact business.
There were a lot of issues related to how do we change mindset, how do we take a product which is SAP, which is generally considered to be a corporate product, and then bring it into a scenario which is government, and also make it run and work successfully.
We started doing many transactions. We realized some transactions needed to be fine-tuned even within the system. The software also had to adapt it to it, which I think was a challenge for the software team, which actually constitutes of SAP, Siemens and IBM. One important decision which was taken by Mr. Shrikant Singh, who is actually the architect of this project, he decided in April we just say that we have switched to a new system.
We have a team which is continuously supporting MCGM by setting up the data center. At the same time, we have almost 200 people spread across the whole city, which are available for the MCGM users, and MCGM would have approximately 3,500 different users spread across the city. And to support these people, we have our trained consultants which are deputed across almost 200 locations of BMC, and they also help them.
People were very cooperative. I found in so many departments for that work I could do here. Otherwise, previously it used to be for the first floor, you just and then changing the floors and finding the person, you have to just move here and there. Instead of that, I could do so many things here.
I have come here to pay this property tax of our society building, and so now the thing is that because of the computerization, everything has smoothened very much. There is no long queue, and it is very much beneficial to ordinary citizens like us.
बच्चे का बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए आया था. मैंने यहाँ के फॉर्म भरा और उन्होंने मेरे को कंप्यूटर पे सब मेरे बच्चे का डिटेल दिखाया, नाम सब दिखाया और मेरे को 2 मिनट में सर्टिफिकेट दे दी.
We got tremendous financial control because all the systems started talking to each other, which is what exactly an ERP package is about. But I can tell you that each of the payments that come into corporation, whether it is 2 rupees which is collected by a boat which runs on one of our lakes, to a cemetery which takes 12 rupees, to crores of revenue which comes through Octroi, all coming through one system and getting reconciled on the same day.
We are implementing this SAP. It's under implementation for last 2 years, and due to SAP for last 3-4 years, every year we are having 10 to 15% rise in the Octroi collection.
यहाँ मैं वाटर बिल जमा करने आया है और यहाँ पहला जो है बहुत लाइन लगाना पड़ता था, अभी हम लोग के लिए अच्छा सुविधा हो गया है। यहाँ अपने को जल्दी से भर के जल्दी अपना टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं होता, तो जल्दी से हम भर के चले जा सकते हैं। ये बहुत अच्छा बना है हम लोग के लिए।
The transparency increased because what you have to give is you never have to meet the department. You just have to come to a citizen facilitation center, give the requisite documents, and take it across the table.
The people are happy, but still it is not as good as we would have liked it to be, or as good as what it is supposed to be in the Western world.
When I had gone over there, we waited for 1 hour, we couldn't find the record. Ultimately, I filled the form and everything, and on top is written that whatever was written on the book is been told.
There were challenges in that also, because the earlier systems and the new systems were not merging.
यहाँ पर सिर्फ 2 काउंटर है, बाकी और काउंटर नहीं, दूसरी जगह तो बहुत से काउंटर है, तो यहाँ आने से हम लोगों को तकलीफ होती है।
We want to have more hardware. When more hardware is there, maybe the system will be very, very quick. And within half an hour or so, people will get the desired service.
कंप्यूटर तो सारे लगा के रखे हैं, लेकिन आते हैं एक बात बोलते हैं कि मतलब हमारा सिस्टम डाउन है.
From the citizen point of view, when he didn't get the service, or an internal customer point of view, his only problem was something didn't work.
Most of the licenses today, they are given on a calendar year basis. So all of them, they need to be revalidated on 31st December. So now we'll have to stagger and maybe renew some licenses in October, some in November.
The next step, wherein we have tied up with companies like SIFI, and we are going for SMS-based payments. Due to which SMS, as you know, mobiles have become literally everybody owns it. Even the Panwala has a mobile. So we are saying that if our water bills, which everybody has to pay, or our property tax bills, even if they're 250 rupees, you could make it through the SMS-based payment, which is the next step of reform.
I think MCGM is the only city where all 240 services are available from the net, with the e-payment gateway in place. And that's probably the way of the future for urban local bodies.
Our system has been adjudged the best, and we have got the SAP award for this. So this we were awarded. Similarly, Mumbai is the only city in the world which was rated 32nd in the e-governance.
I think it's just the size of the implementation, the complexities involved in it, which made them the leading contender.
System has certainly reached to that level, and there are many people who have accepted it, adapted it, enjoy it, and appreciate what it has done. I think what we have done, and we hope to share it with the rest of the country. We really want that other corporations could learn from our mistakes, from our lessons, and whatever we have done, let them not repeat the same mistakes, and take the learning much more faster ahead.